Today I want to teach you something that is incredibly important, and also I am going to give a solution to a very commonly asked question. I hope that this video was engaging and you will learn something from it. And I would like to share every detail to take the steps for your solution. And let's get into today's video, that is on conformal mapping. Today I want to find the image for the given problem, that is W is equal to 5 minus 4z by 4z minus 2 transforms the circle mod z is equal to 1 into the circle of radius unity in the W plane. See here, so what is the relation given here? The relation is clearly given as in the solution. W is given as 5 minus 4z by this is 4z minus 2. First of all, I need the value of W. See here, this is W into this is 4z minus 2, which is equal to this is 5 minus 4z. So if I multiply, this will be 4wz minus 2w, which is equal to this is 5 minus this is 4z. So I need the value of z here. So here they are z. This will be 4wz plus 4z is equal to this is 2w plus 5. So if I want the value of z, see here, if I take common, this will be 4w plus 4, which is equal to this is 2w plus 5. Clear? And therefore our z value is equal to this is 2w plus 5 by this value is 4w plus 4. Clear? So now this is our z value. So z value is equal to 2w plus 5 by this is 4w plus 4. And now see here, the circle is given as mod z is equal to 1. See clearly, if it is mod z is equal to 1, what happens? See here. So mod z value is given as 1. So mod z is nothing but x plus iy is equal to 1. So which is equal to root over this is x square plus y square is equal to 1. If I make squaring on both sides, then this will be x square plus y square value is equal to 1. Clear? And now see here, so we have a relation here as if you take z dot z bar, then clearly what is z here? This is x plus iy. And see here, this is x minus iy. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus this is b square, and x square, I square value is minus 1. So this is x square plus y square. So as x square plus y square value is equal to 1, this can be written as 1, and therefore we got z into z bar value is equal to 1. So if I substitute that relation as z into z bar is equal to 1, so we got z into z bar value is equal to 1. So I can take z into z bar is equal to 1. What is our z value here? Z value is nothing but 2w plus 5 by this is 4w plus 4 into this is, see here, what is z bar? 2w bar plus 5 by this is 4w bar plus 4 value is equal to 1. Now if I solve, see what happens here. Now if I multiply, this will be 2w plus 5 into this value is 2w bar plus 5 divided by this value is 4w plus 4 into this is 4w bar plus 4 value is equal to 1. So if I send this term to other side, then this will be 2w plus 5 into this is 2w bar plus 5, which is equal to this is 4w plus 4 into the value here is 4w bar plus 4. And now if I keep multiplying, so this will be 4w into w bar, and this is 2 5s are 10w, and this is 5 2s are 10w bar, and this is 5 5s are the value here is 25. Here if I multiply, this is a 16w into w bar, and this value is a 16w, and if I multiply, this will be 16w bar, and this is 4 4, so the value here is 16. If I send all these terms to other side, see here, this is 4w into w bar, and this is 16w into w bar. So here this will be 16w into w bar minus 4w into w bar. See, this will be 10W. So this is 10W and this is 16W. So this will be plus 16W minus this value is minus 10W. And if you see, this is W bar and this value is W bar. So this will be 16W bar minus this value is 10W bar. And if you can observe this one, so this is 25 and this is a 16. So this will be plus 16 minus 25 is equal to 0. See here, this is 16 minus 4. The value here is 12W into W bar, and this is a 16 minus 10 is a 6W, and this value is a 6W bar, and this is minus 9 value is equal to 0. So if I divide totally with 12, see W into W bar plus a 6 by 12 into W plus a 6 by 12 into W bar minus 9 by 12 is equal to 0. Then this will be W into W bar plus 1 by 2 times of W plus this is 1 by 2 times of W bar. If I cancel with the 3 table, this is 3 and this is 4. Minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. See here, this is W into W bar. If I take half common, this will be W plus W bar minus this is 3 by W is equal to 0. As you know that what is W? So usually W is equal to U plus IV. So here if I take W is equal to U plus IV, so if I write W is equal to U plus IV and W bar is equal to U minus IV. So in this, so what happens here? So let me show you. So here this will be W plus W bar plus half times of W plus W bar minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So in place of W, if I keep U plus IV, and in place of W bar if I keep U minus IV, and this value is in place of W if I write U plus IV and this is U minus IV minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. See, I can cancel these two, and A plus B into A minus B is nothing but U square minus this is IV whole square plus this is half times of this is 2U minus this is 3 by 4 which is equal to 0. So if I cancel this half, then see this is U square, I square value is minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 into V square plus U minus this is 3 by 4 value is equal to 0. So this can be written as this value is U square plus V square plus, so this can be written as half times of half into A into this value is B. So in order to balance, I am writing this as 2 and this is minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So if you observe this one, so I am writing this as U square plus U plus V square minus 3 by 4 which is equal to 0. So this I am adjusting as A square plus 2AB plus this value as B square. See how I am writing here? A square value, so I am adjusting as U, 2AB, so A I am shifting this here. So there is a single U here, and therefore in order to balance I have to write in place of B as half. See, clear? So in place of B as half, so B square value is equal to plus 1 by half. So I can't write this addition, so in order to balance I am subtracting, that is minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is minus 3 by 4 and this value is plus V square is equal to 0. See here, this is of the form A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this whole term I am writing as U plus half whole square, and see this value is plus V square and this value is minus 1 by 4 and this value is minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0, and this is U plus half whole square plus V square. So if I take 4 LCM, so this will be minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0, and this is U square plus half whole square plus V square, and this is minus 4 by 4 which is equal to 0. So if I cancel in 4 table, this is U plus half whole square plus V square minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is U plus half whole square plus V square value is equal to 1. So this can be written as U minus of, this is minus 1 whole square plus this is v minus 0 whole square is equal to 1. So here if you observe this one, so this is a circle equation with center. So here this is a circle equation with center minus half comma 0 and radius. So this is a radius with radius 1. So we got a circle equation with center minus half comma 0 and radius 1. So this is the image with the for the problem, that is mod z is equal to 1. So let me explain you. So this is the problem given. So here is the circle in z plane, that is mod z is equal to 1. So here is the relation given, w is equal to 5 minus 4z by 4z minus 2, and here I have taken the value of the z, and here is z into z bar is again equal to 1. So here I have taken the transformation. So after substituting z into z bar is equal to 1, so here after taking and making steps here, and after writing w as u plus iv and w bar as u plus iv, u minus iv. So here after substituting all these and adjusting as u a plus b whole square plus v square, and this constant also after adjusting, I got a circle equation. So this is in the w plane. So u minus half whole square plus v minus 0 whole square is equal to 1, which is a circle equation with center minus half comma 0 and radius is equal to 1. And from the question it is very clear that the circle mod z is equal to 1 is transformed into a circle of radius unity in the w plane. So here with unit radius and center minus half comma 0, so we got an image in the w plane. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. If you really like this video, please pass it on to as many friends as you can, and that is the greatest help needed. And check the playlist, all the problems are given solutions, and it will be easy for your exams. Thank you so much.